Welcome to Whispers. Oh my god. Oh, Zulgaria, Liberia. Oh my word. These people are jokers. Oh, they're comedians. Oh my god. I wonder what this episode is all about. Let's find out. Federal government hands over relief materials to your government for victims of Shasha crisis. The federal government says it has handed over relief materials to your state government for distribution to victims of Shasha market crisis in OyoState. The Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development Minister, Sidiya Umar Farouk, said in a statement in Abuja that the ministry had to activate immediate response by providing basic humanitarian relief items to the community. Farouk, in a statement signed by a media aide, Mrs. Nneka Anibeze, expressed sympathy for persons affected by the crisis. She said the relief was approved based on the initial assessment for the 928 households and 5,568 displaced persons identified to be in Sabo, Ojo, and Akinyele. The federal government, according to her, will be guided by the detailed assessment carried out by the NEMA and the Oyo government officials to provide further support that may be necessary for rehabilitation. The minister commended the state government and security agencies for their prompt intervention in bringing the situation under control. Akika. She also appreciated the traditional rulers and community leaders for the restoration of peace in the area. Hey, Ogago. Hey, items handed over to the state government for onward distribution to the affected persons include 928 bags of rice and gari, 10 kg, 928 bags of beans, 25 kg, and 46 kegs of vegetable oil, 20 liters. And I may really Orders are 46 bags of salt, 20 kg, 155 packs of seasoning cubes, and 71 cartons of Tintomatoes. I can't shout. I can't even laugh. Excuse me, who is this woman? Who is this woman? What is that? The Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management, Social Development Minister, Shadia, Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management, Social Development Minister, Abi. So, in this disaster of 928 households and 5,568 displaced persons. So what the the humanitarian affairs, disaster management and social development. Nǹkan tó wá rí ṣe sí nǹkan tó rí ṣe sí ní 938 bags of rice and garri, 938 bags of beans, 46 kegs of vegetable oil, 46 bags of salt, 155 packets of seasoning cubes, and 71 cartons of tomato. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, what usefulness? Of what usefulness is that to the people? You are giving them garri, you are giving them beans, you are giving them vegetable oil, you are giving them salt, you are giving them seasoning cubes, you are giving them tomatoes. How is that? Oh my God, how is that relatable to whatever it is, to what they really need, to shelter? People, some families have lost everything. You're giving them cube seasoning, so that is going to sustain them. For how long? You're giving them bags of rice that they will end up giving them one agolo of rice of beans. That is your own humanitarian. Humanitarian ti lele. Irú àwọn ẹranko játijàti wo lè gbé ìlú. Ládùúgbò nǹkan bàtàbàtà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn. Ẹ wá ń pín wọn ní gààrí, ẹ ń pín wọn lẹ́wà, ẹ ń pín wọn lóròró, ẹ ń pín wọn níyọ̀, ẹ ń pín wọn ní Maggi, ẹ ń pín wọn ní tomato. Kọ́ máa fi ṣe concoction àbí? Kọ́ máa fi ṣe concoction. Ìyẹn èyí tẹ́ fún wọn yóò máa tọ́ṣẹ̀ wọn. Èyí tẹ́ fún wọn yìí ó máa rẹ̀ wọ́n lẹ́kún. Èyí tẹ́ fún wọn yìí ó máa fún wọn ní a fresh start àbí? Oh, you people are comedians. You are comedians. Ẹ̀dẹ̀gbọ́n orúkọ bàǹtàbàǹtà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sórí humanitarian. Abẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ tún mọ humanitarian ni. Humanitarian affairs. Ẹ̀ẹ̀mọ̀ tún mọ disaster management. So the only way you can manage the disaster is by giving them Maggi, giving them ororo, giving them salt. What is the correlation between Maggi, salt, and tomato tins with the disaster? Oh my God, I don't know. If you think you've seen it all, a new drama. If you think one is weird, you will see another one that is weirder than the one that you've just been like, oh my, can this be real? Sadiya, you're giving them Maggi, you're giving them tomato, you're giving them salt to cook. So, in your own definition of humanitarian, that is your own definition of humanitarian. That is your own definition. This is how you manage disaster. Maggi, salt, and tomato. And you said you've activated immediate response. So if salt, Maggi, oil, ororo, and tomato is your activation of immediate response. If you now want to do activation of delayed response, so what are you going to give them? What will they get? Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Sadiya, whatever your name is. You reduce these people to I don't know. Aribipa. Yeah, fi chongo enu wọn fi shock here. Aba ti fún wọn ní gààrí tó fún wọn lẹ́wà tó fororo sí tó fi iyọ̀ sí tó fi Maggi sí tó fi Tintomatoes sí ó fi shock ẹnu wọn. A whole federal government. Well, I'm not. What else? But Makinde not to give them to 2,000. But you, the same federal government, you can give 4.75 billion to cattle, whatever. And these people you are giving Tintomato, you are giving Maggi, you are giving Ororo, you are giving Gari and the beast. These are the real these are the people feeling the heat. And you just went and do dash some people 4 billion, and you are giving the real victims of this. Oh, I don't know. You are giving them beans, Maggi. Nigeria is a joke. Federal government. For the same Kiniti one claim. Wow. What me yeti all for me yeti ala ati crook up whatever of 4.7 billion. But the real victims that really need the money, you are giving them 2,000. Maggi, salt, ororo, gari, ati Tintomato. This country is gone. This country is gone. It is gone. I don't know what to say. It's gone. It's gone. Makide Mutia, she's like Makide 2,000. No. Emi o mo pe Sajiya ma koro ja kitchen wa. Come and say, e ma je sori bi ite de abi. You're not done. You're not done. It's all good. So guys, there you have it from the Minister of humanitarian, what's that thing again? Humanitarian affairs, disaster management, and social development. So for the social victims, that is what they are getting. Plus the 2,000 that Makinde gave them, that will buy fish, you know. Fish, put the gem more Betty Day. For the rest of the year. Meanwhile, nobody that was not even there, that is not even the victim of the crisis, got 4.7 billion or something. You know that it's all good. Everybody's share is milking, because they know at the end of the day it's already collapsed, so they're trying to pack as much as they can, at the detriment of the masses, at the detriment of the real victims. So, Musa, Ekaite, hey, Macau, hey, wow, just wow. Until I come your way again. Humanitarian disaster. Oh my God. I'll be done. Wow.